this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some. I'm fighting for my soul, God get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back, I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some.
I see them long hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? Today is a day that I want to talk about. I'm trying to figure out how to word it. Like, is it motorcycle superstitions, or maybe how you get ready to ride? I think I'm gonna mix it up. Anyways, so like, what won't make you ride? Like, say you're planning on, I'm gonna go ride, I'm gonna go out, get the bike out, go ride, but something makes you not ride. What would that something be? Because I've got, I mean, like, I'm one of them guys that I always trust my gut. My gut never fails me. If my gut tells me something, I won't do that. And it especially goes for riding. Anytime my gut tells me not to go ride, I don't ride. It used to not bug me. However, the night I wrecked, and this is years ago, but the night I did have my wreck, now, I mean, granted, I was drunk off my ass. I should have been on a fucking bike anyways. But still, that night, something told me not to ride. And I'd been drinking already. Everybody else was going riding. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna go ride. And we ended up going to a party, got even drunker. And I wrecked on my way home. Fucked myself up pretty good. So, I always trust my gut now. Something tells me to stay off the bike, I stay off the bike. And then, I mean, sometimes it's not even my gut. Like, I mean, like last week, I ended up being fine, even though it was just a loose battery cable. But, normally I wouldn't ride. My bike just, when I went to start it, it was just dead. It cranked over once, clicked, nothing, no lights, no nothing, fuel pump, nothing. In those circumstances, usually I would not ride. But I went and did it last week and it ended up being fine. The bike's fine now. I got the damn cable tightened up. But it's like, you know, what kind of shit like that? Does that shit happen with you guys? You guys ever get that kind of feeling? Be like, something's not right, I'm just not gonna do it today. Don't feel right, something's just not gonna do it today. I had one night I was gonna go race, and I didn't go race because my tire pressure was off. I ended up not even riding because my tire pressure was off. I mean, like, that's how anal I got about it. Was my tire pressure was off, so I wouldn't ride. Because I didn't feel right. I didn't know if I had a leak. I didn't know anything. It wasn't even that far off. But it was a little bit lower than what it usually is. And it bugged me enough where I didn't go ride. You know, when I was thinking about talking about gear and stuff, but I mean, it's no secret I don't wear gear. I mean, yeah, I'm wearing boots right now. So because I just got these, I'm still trying to break them in. And normally on a day like today, I wouldn't wear them because it's hot. It's 80. And normally I wear tennis shoes when I ride. But I'm wearing boots right now and I'm already regretting it. My feet are already sweating like hell. But one thing I do always wear is I always wear gloves. I always wear the knuckle protective gloves, you know, ting ting ting. And these happen to have the phone screen touch on them and everything, because I always have my phone over here. At least most of the time. I don't know, I got that damn iPhone Max 11 Max Pro, and I didn't think it was gonna fit in that holder. And I'm really not too hip about that holder. I need to get a ram mount because I don't really care for that one. I don't wear Kevlar. I just wear regular jeans. When it gets real hot out, I'll just wear a t-shirt. You know, usually don't wear jackets unless it's cold. Then I'll wear my leather. Yeah, right now I'm just wearing my hoodie and I'm fucking burning up. And you know, and that might be a little bit of my old school mentality, because I've been riding since I was a little kid. You know, a lot of people are like, well, you'll want it if you've ever gone down. Well, I have gone down. I didn't wear it when I went down. I actually had a cheap fucking novelty helmet on. It split it in half. Because I did land right on my head. But I didn't wear it then. I'm not wearing it now. It's my choice. It's my decision. If I go down and get fucking road rashed, I go down and get road rashed. It's my deal, not yours. But what else is there? It's like, what else do you get ready to ride? Like cameras. I mean, my deal, if I know I'm gonna ride, I always make sure all my cameras are charged. I make sure all my SD cards are empty. I wish I could get away from having to wear this backpack, but I don't want to I really don't want to have saddlebags on any of my bikes, so I wear the backpack. And the main reason why is like today I got my gimbal in my backpack, and gimbal's really not that heavy, but I do have a case for it, so the case makes everything a little bit bulkier. Well, it pulls down a little bit. I got an extra long sleeve shirt in case it gets chilly later on. And like in your backpack, if you ride with a backpack, what all do you carry in there? I actually have a it's like a very small medical kit, band-aids, I got glucose fucking shit since I'm diabetic, and you know I need some glucose. Suck that shit down real fast. Gauze wraps, big bandages. I got a pair of little small scissors, tape. I actually got a lot of shit in it, and I made the kit myself. I just went around and got a bunch of shit, bought it, made the kit into a little bag, and fit it in my backpack. You know, it's not a life-saving kit, but I might be able to stop you from bleeding all over the fucking place. But I make sure I have that with me. I always make sure I have my gun with me. I'm not wearing it today. It's actually in the backpack. That makes the backpack even heavier. Ooh, let's see if we get some scrapes in today. These cars are going a little bit too slow. There we go. That's a pretty good one. Quite a few things I don't leave without. I mean, of course, my phone, wallet, knife, gun, cross shot.
Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch!
It's all kinds of stuff. It's like, you know, whenever you're doing it, it doesn't feel like a lot. When you sit there and list everything off, it's like, fuck, that's a lot. I'm just curious about that. You know, leave down the comments or something like that. Let me know. Or you two yourself, if you haven't made one of these videos. And a lot of people have made these kind of videos. If you haven't made one yet, make one. That way, some of us know what you do for whenever you're riding. Maybe you guys do something that somebody else wants to do. There's that car that was in front of me back there. I guess that way is a little bit faster. Oh well. I go the way I go, I get to scrape the little floorboard. Alright, anyway, so that's it. You know, like I said, let me know. Comments. Tell me what you do. Make a video, tell me what you do. Please, if you're new here, you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. You have more videos. Watch my shenanigans. Don't forget that like button. Comment. Oh man, I tell you what, the comments on YouTube, that'll be another video. God damn, it's pissing me off about no notifications. Anyways, I'm about to go around this motherfucker. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share it on any platform or social media you would like to. I'm pushing for that, I'd like to get 1,000 subs this year. I'm at 563. I'd like to get 1,000. If I hit 700, I'll be happy. So anyways, until the next time, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.